In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop KuCoin app notifications permanently on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now, to stop these pop-up notifications, it is quite simple. All you need to do is to access the app information page. And there are two ways you can access the KuCoin app information page. In the first method, just go to settings, and here's my settings, and then tap on it. From here, go ahead and look for the option called apps. And here you'll see this option called manage apps. Now that depends on your smartphone. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm using an Android smartphone and this is a Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From here, go ahead and tap on manage apps. And this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. So scroll down until you find your app. And as you can see, my app is here. I'll go ahead and tap on it. And now you can see I'm on the app information page. However, if getting to this page is quite tedious, let me show you a shortcut method that you can as well use. Now for the shortcut method, just go and look for your app. But this time around, instead of tapping or clicking on it, just go ahead and long press it. And then you'll see this option called app info. If you tap on it, it will still take you to the same app information page. Now scroll down until you see this option called notifications. As you can see, notifications are currently turned on for this app. If you go ahead and tap on it, you can now turn them off by either turning one by one here, or you can turn all of them at once when you toggle this off show notifications. And as you can see, they are now off. From now henceforth, you'll never again see those pop-up notifications coming from this app. So that's how you stop pop-up notifications permanently on KuCoin app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, kindly like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.